Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out with me, aka the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project. I'm back out, I'm traveling for work, and I'm back in Frankfort, Illinois. So I'm in the suburbs just outside Chicago, and I'm back at the exact same skate park that I made a video at probably 3 weeks ago or a month ago with this same machine. But the video was kind of a failure because this entire skate park was covered in snow and the two-wheel drive couldn't get through it. So in the end we had to bash in the parking lot over there at the school. It was still fun, but this was the goal. The goal was to bash here at the skate park. So that's going to be the goal today. It is snowing. It's actually quite a bit colder. It's quite a bit colder today than it was last time. The last time I was here it was like 50 degrees, but none of the snow had melted, so that was the issue. This time it's like 25 degrees, so it's pretty cold out, but most of the snow's melted, but you can see there's a little bit accumulating now, but hopefully we'll be able to get through it. Should be a heck of a lot of fun. So let me go ahead and get the Slash two-wheel drive hooked up. We're running on 3S, of course, and then we're going to jump right in this video. Alrighty guys, time to rock and roll. Here we go. Yeah, it's still going to be super slick because I haven't had a chance to get new tires on this thing. I wanted to get new tires on this because these tires aren't very good. They're pretty much bald at this point. But at some point I will get new tires. But at least we aren't going to have like a ton of snow slowing us down, because last time it was like pushing like a snowplow. So that was the issue last time. But I want to hit a few of these. We might break stuff because it is cold and plastic's very brittle in the cold. But at least if I have fun, that's what matters, right? Alright, let's try to hit some of these ramps. They're going to be pretty slick, but we hopefully can gain some momentum before we hit them. That was kind of cool. Let me go over to this one. This one might be a good one to try to come up and then jump off the other side. I do apologize, it might be kind of loud. It looks like the school over here is just getting out. So you might hear some children and you might hear buses. But just bear with me. Actually, let me get on this side. All right guys, ready? Get set, and here we go. Oh, tumbled it. Yeah, two-wheel drive has no traction. You need momentum to get up these. It's still really slick. It's better than last time, but it's still super slick. Honestly, these just get so slick. There's no way I'm going to be able to do this one. Better chance with a run up maybe to one of the ones over there, or maybe over there. And then we'll have to clear the guardrail though and jump up over into the grass. I think even with good tires, just on this type of surface, there's nothing to dig into. So it's hard to get any traction. Also, by the way guys, if you are enjoying my content, make sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I put a lot of time and a lot of effort into making these videos. Anytime you guys take the time to hit that thumbs up button and show your support, I really do truly appreciate it. What do you think, this one? We're going to have to hit this with a lot of speed if I'm going to clear that railing. But I might be able to run up from right along here and hit this right here. But this one side's better. This side's more sloping. I'll probably go right into the railing right there. Tricky. Well, let's see what we can do. Oh. That's kind of what I thought might happen. We Need more speed than that. Ooh, same thing happened. It's hard to give any throttle once you get up on the ramp too. It's still just not the greatest day for this. That's kind of cool. Maybe I can come from an angle. If I come from an angle over here, then I can maybe hit over there. Let's see if we can do that. Oh no, I'm up there, but I'm tipped over. I have to be able to get to it. I was able to climb up here. I am like literally, when I mean I'm feathering the throttle, I'm giving it so little throttle. If you are still watching the video, I do appreciate it. All right, let's see if we can build up some speed. That's what we need. We need some speed. That was kind of cool. I did kind of, what's that called? Like I ground the rail or whatever right there. That was kind of cool. No traction. I was really hoping today, guys, if I would have shown up maybe an hour sooner. It's really accumulated even since I got here. The whole thing's covered now, and that's the worst when there's just the slightest dusting of snow. You just can't hook up. See, I'm not even giving it a quarter throttle, not even. And if I can't gain any momentum to hit the ramps, there's no chance I'm going up them once I hit them. There's no traction once I hit them, so, gosh. Well, see, even that little incline, I can't make it up. Wintertime is not ideal for skate parks. I wonder if we can hit this one. We might be able to build up some speed from over there and hit this one, and then land somewhere in here. I don't know. There, that's like the best jump we've gotten so far. That was kind of lame. Ooh, that was kind of a cool flippy thing, but I didn't realize that part right there had that lip. This definitely just is not two-wheel drive weather. This video is a fail. I'm a little bummed out, honestly. because this hasn't worked out how I'd hoped. Just another roadblock, but don't worry, because we'll have the two-wheel drive Slash out again, and sooner or later we will find a skate park where it's not wet, where it's not snowing, and it'll be dry, and we'll be able to actually run up and hit the ramps with the Slash two-wheel drive. That's what I want to do, but today's just not that day. The one good thing in all this is I did bring another RC with me. You're gonna have to wait and see what that RC is in another video. But the other RC I brought is four-wheel drive, so there's a better chance that it can actually jump here. So stay tuned for that video if you want to see maybe an RC that might do better here. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Later!